When nature calls in the great outdoors, having the right gear makes all the difference. The best composting camping toilet ensures convenience, cleanliness, and eco-friendly waste disposal, making your outdoor adventures more comfortable and environmentally responsible. Number 1. Katy Camping Toilet. The Katy Camping Toilet is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable, comfortable portable toilet. One of its standout features is its impressive 16.1-inch height, which is about 40% taller than many standard portable toilets. This makes it much easier and more comfortable to use for adults and families alike, especially for those over 5 feet tall. The patented design, patent USD 1041627, incorporates sturdy density board construction and soft, skin-friendly, high-quality leather, creating a surprisingly home-like experience in the great outdoors. Thoughtfully designed, this upgraded version also comes with 2 built-in handles for easy transport and a large pocket that's perfect for holding your phone, wipes, or other essentials. It folds down to a compact 3.15 by 15 by 11 inches and includes a waterproof storage bag, making it easy to store in your car or backpack. The simple setup and compatibility with standard 6 to 8 gallon garbage bags offer quick, hassle-free use, especially helpful for families with children. Number 2. Sckee Katy Camping Toilet. The Sckee Katy Camping Toilet combines ergonomic comfort with rugged outdoor practicality. Standing at a generous 16.5 inches, it's one of the tallest portable toilets available, a real advantage for taller users or anyone with knee issues. This 2025 upgraded model adds rust-proof metal side handles for easy mobility and sturdy support. Thoughtful extras like side pockets for your phone or flashlight and reflective strips for nighttime visibility make it especially user-friendly. The foldable toilet is crafted from durable density board and finished with high-quality soft leather for a surprising level of comfort and support, capable of holding up to 440 pounds. Easy to clean and maintain, it wipes down effortlessly with water. This toilet folds compactly for storage, fitting seamlessly into your car, RV, or backpack for trips. Designed for versatility, it's great for camping, hiking, long road trips, truckers, and even during traffic jams. The sturdy build and smart features help avoid the need for communal restrooms. Number 3. Sckee Camping Toilet. The Sckee Camping Toilet is a durable, no-nonsense option designed for rugged outdoor adventures. Constructed from heavy-duty ABS plastic, it supports up to 450 pounds, ensuring stability and comfort for all users. Its contoured, ergonomic seat eliminates thigh pinching, and the 12-inch extra-long seat holes, 20% longer than older models, offer added convenience for various body types. Compact and easy to carry, it folds down to a slim 14.1 by 12.6 by 2.7 inches and weighs only 4.5 pounds, small enough to tuck into an RV, vehicle, or backpack. The included storage bag keeps it clean and ready for travel. The toilet's stain-resistant and odor-proof construction makes cleaning a breeze, while the stay-up lid adds a familiar touch of home. It comes with garbage bags and biogel for easier, cleaner waste disposal, solidifying liquids for stress-free handling. Ideal for camping, hiking, road trips, van life, and emergency roadside stops, this portable potty is a practical, lightweight solution to nature's call wherever you roam. Number 3. Sckee Camping Toilet. The Sckee Camping Toilet is a durable, no-nonsense option designed for rugged outdoor adventures. Constructed from heavy-duty ABS plastic, it supports up to 450 pounds, ensuring stability and comfort for all users. Its contoured, ergonomic seat eliminates thigh pinching, and the 12-inch extra-long seat holes, 20% longer than older models, offer added convenience for various body types. Compact and easy to carry, it folds down to a slim 14.1 by 12.6 by 2.7 inches and weighs only 4.5 pounds, small enough to tuck into an RV, vehicle, or backpack. The included storage bag keeps it clean and ready for travel. The toilet's stain-resistant and odor-proof construction makes cleaning a breeze, while the stay-up lid adds a familiar touch of home. Number 5. Kohree Camping Toilet. The Kohree Camping Toilet brings home-like comfort to outdoor adventures with its thoughtfully upgraded design. Featuring an ergonomic diagonal seat and an elongated 13-inch seat length, it closely mimics a standard home toilet, offering a more natural and relaxed experience for campers, RVers, and road trippers. Built with premium high-density HDPE and PP materials, it supports up to 440 pounds, ensuring durability for frequent use. The Kohree composting toilet includes a powerful T-type flush nozzle paired with a high-pressure bellows pump for efficient, thorough cleaning with every flush. Its generous 2.64-gallon water tank provides up to 90 flushes, while the 5.3-gallon waste tank minimizes emptying frequency, an ideal setup for extended trips. A convenient water gun is included to rinse down the inner walls for easy maintenance. Measuring 14.1 by 16.1 by 16.9 inches, it strikes a balance between generous seat size and compact storage. The toilet's lightweight build and carry handle make it highly portable, easily fitting into an RV, camper, or vehicle. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.